I just sent out an email to MMT Trader subscribers about a rumor that has been going around regarding the potential for a ban on gold imports by India. Now, this is a rumor. I did not hear about this until very recently today. Somebody informed me of it. But apparently, this is a rumor that got going on Sunday. And naturally, India is a very big gold importer. They import about 700 tons of gold per year. So it definitely got the market excited and probably triggered a lot of this selling. But I want to talk about this because there's some craziness in here too. First, I just want to say that there has been no official comment or statement or discussion about this that I could find anywhere from the Indian government. Okay, this is all coming from online stuff, internet websites, and most of these websites are questionable at best. A lot of them seem to be these kind of, conspiracy theory type websites. The rumor has been cited in, some mainstream websites like MarketWatch.com, but I cannot see any confirmation or any credible source to this whatsoever. All right, that's number one. Number two, yeah, I mentioned India is a large importer of gold, but China's right there too, and China is growing. It has been growing, and it will surpass India in total demand, probably in the not too distant future. It's very close. Number three, this rumor probably got started as a result of actions that the Indian government is taking right now to curtail or stop these usurious gold sales on the black market. And it has to do with India phasing out a couple of denominations of their currency, of the rupee. All right, and I forgot, I don't know if that's, I don't remember what size bills they're phasing out, but anyway, they're going to be worthless. So people are, trying to kind of launder those bills. I don't know if they've already phased it out already, but they're trying to launder those bills. And you got these gold sellers on the black market who are charging like ridiculous prices for gold in order to take those bills that are now worthless. Okay, so anyway, the Indian government is combating this through legal means and law enforcement, and I expect, or I suspect, that's going to continue that way. Gold's very, very traditional in India. I don't see them banning gold. But anyway, there's one other thing, and here's the crazy part. So at the same time, and India over the past year or two, it has imposed high import tariffs on gold. They're trying to get the people to buy these gold-backed sovereign bonds. Now here comes the crazy stuff. India is a sovereign currency issuing nation. It issues the rupee. It makes the rupee. It's the monopolist in the rupee. It could spend all it wants in rupees, okay? It is not constrained by tax revenues or anything else. If it needs to spend in rupees, it prints the freaking rupee. It doesn't have any problems. But it is trying to raise rupees by selling these gold-backed sovereign bonds. Now, these gold-backed sovereign bonds, as far as I could tell, they're not convertible to gold, but the government has to pay a rate of return based on the gold price. So in other words, they're basically going short gold, the government, to raise rupees, which they can print without limit. This is the craziest scheme I've ever seen. So they are shorting what is essentially, or is, a finite resource, gold. So they're putting themselves potentially in an unlimited risk situation to raise rupees, which they have the absolute power to issue without limit. You look at the stupidity. That is the monetary authority. So, bottom line here is, you go against stupidity every single time. It's going to work out. So this rumor, I think it's bullshit. The Indian government's scheme to raise rupees in a system where they have a total monopoly over the issuance of rupees is completely ridiculous. And to short gold as a as a means to raise rupee, I can't think of something more stupid. I mean, if there is, let me know. But I will go against stupidity every single time. And this tops the list. This takes the cake, all right, in terms of stupidity. So I just wanted to put that out there. Bye.